This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Norvie Ramos. Fantastic rental in Ocean Lakes. Live minutes to Oceana/Dam Neck and a short drive to the ocean front. Good schools and convenient location to shopping. At entry, you'll love the open floor plan, wood floors and classic essential gray look of this 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Avail. November 1, 2021. The kitchen offers classic white cabinetry, dark granite West/stainless appliances and look onto all areas of the family room. The dining area looks out to an expansive fenced backyard. Wooded West/plenty of green space and outdoor entertaining onto a patio and cobblestone pad. Upstairs are 3 spacious bedrooms and laundry. The primary bedroom has enough room for a king West/a tiled walk-in shower, dual shower heads and vanities. The 2 bedrooms, also large, share a Jack and Jill bath. Downstairs also enjoy a double car garage that is large and 2 parking spots. Don't miss this 1900 plus square feet gem. Owner approval for any pets less than 65 pounds. Renters ins. Required. Online app. Avail. Go to www.townerentals.com for more information. Review the details below.